So you just put each ink to each ink tank and install back to the machine for each color. After you load it, and must be sure all the ink tank is pushed to the end already, and all the cover is closed already. If you're not closed where, so you cannot put, the machine cannot pump the ink to the print head succeed. So be sure for the close cover for each, and be sure push the end already. After that, you close the window. Okay, then we go to the back side of the machine. Here is the USB cable connect with the machine to the computer. And when you go to the back side of the machine, you will see there's a metal cover. When you open it, you can take out, and you will see some electronic board for each. Okay, so from the left to the right, the first one, this one is the waste ink tank ink chips for this one. But the original, this one have ink cartridge already, but here we corrected, so this don't have any ink chips here. It's empty, and the original ink chips is go to here. And here is the Epson mainboard, Epson / Photo 3890 original mainboard. And this is the USB port, and some cable connect with the machine. And here is the original Epson power board. And here is the air pressure pump to pump the ink from the ink cartridge, from the ink tank to the ink damper. And here is the paper load detect sensor and the detect device. And here is the ink chips for each color. So this machine, you don't need to buy original ink from Epson, and you just we also installed these ink chips already on the machine. So when using the machine, you don't have any headache for the machine's ink is running out like this. Okay, so this is the back top of the printer. Inside the flatbed, down of the flatbed is the ball rail and the liner rail, and also the ball screw to drive the machine, and also the flatbed motor. Okay, so here is the right side of the machine, and you will see there's some marks here, and this is the general power cable connect with the electronic power. So the power must be 220 or 110 voltage as for different version. And when you put the power to the machine, first thing you need to ask Focus Digital to ask what's the ink voltage for your machine, because different countries use different voltage version. Okay, this is the general power switch for all the machine power. This general power switch, and here is the GND, the ground wire. So when you get the machine first, you need to make a wire connect with this button and go to the ground to release the static power. Okay. Okay, then go to the right side of the machine. When you go to top, you will see some gear for the machine, and we must pay attention to that. This one is the waste ink tube. When you find out sometimes the waste ink tube is losing air or leak ink, you need to pay attention to this tube is loose or not. These two waste ink tube go with one to the waste ink tank here. Okay, and here is the lock, the cartridge lock. When you turn like this to the front, it's lock for locked the cartridge, so the cartridge cannot be pushed out by hand. But if you turn the gear to the